in the attic, we gon' slide. And when that when we arrive, poppin' that shit, but they don't want the smoke. Nah.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what I.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we're heading to brunch. We haven't really done anything since we've been back from Jamaica, so you know, today we're just gonna hang out.
So today we're just gonna hang out,
catch up, and just chill. Really, it's an off day. Jabari's not in school today, so yeah,
MLK Day.
Let's go.
I have a question, guys. What are you guys watching on Netflix right now? Personally, I was just watching Black Lightning. And
comment down below. Let us know what you guys are watching.
Black Lightning. Should we have a question of the day, Mom?
We could.
Just ask questions and see. When is the last time you've done a Q&A?
I haven't done a Q&A in forever.
You should do one of those.
Yeah, I could. This steering is in my way. Like, this camera cannot be here. It's just blocking. Hey guys, so unfortunately, look at Jabari's face. Milk and Honey is closed. That's the restaurant that we wanted to go, but because of Jabari just running around in the house.
No, you will not lie.
Because of I'm just kidding. It was my fault. I don't know. I kept looking for the perfect jacket or sweater to put on,
and then a purse.
And a purse. Shoes. So now we have to change our location. So we're going to this place called Mission Barbecue.
I don't want to go.
So hopefully it's good because I'm starving. I'm super hungry.
I wanted some Mexican
go.
Food like quesadillas.
I don't want a damn quesadillas.
Joanna, how you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna, hey Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna, ay ay ay.
These movies are amazing.
I don't know.
Can I get for you to sign here, please?
Well, you put the cookie in there, right?
Here you go.
Cookie.
Alright, where do you want to sit?
Doesn't matter. I mean, there's a lot of options. Can't believe you don't know who Rambo is?
No, I'm still here. I want to try this lemonade. I need ice. What are you talking about?
Tiny bit. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Jabari, where are you? Avis, hold on a second. Hello? Yeah, what's going on?
Sitting on the same side?
We out here eating. What?
I'm gonna sit on this side.
No. Alright. Oh, that was fast. Thank you.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can it see me?
Yeah. Yes.
Just get smacking, you know?
Okay, so I ordered some smoked salmon.
That's what I got. I got the slider,
I have some potatoes.
the mac and cheese.
I
You
have
know, got the two
coleslaw.
vloggers at the table.
I know, Jabari's also vlogging. What did you get? Mac and cheese and...
Got my mac and cheese.
What is this, Jabari? Is it a bun?
It's a chicken slider.
Okay.
It's like a mini sandwich.
It looks
But you know,
cool.
I'm gonna get more when we go to the movies. So, you know. And then I got my drink on the side with my brownie.
Alright, I'm gonna dig in.
That's good.
It's good.
It really is.
The salmon is really good. I got cornbread and it is so good.
You gonna feed it to me?
I'm giving it to you.
Give it.
He's so greedy. This cheesy potato is everything. It tastes so good.
I can have a bite. And I'll say good.
Okay guys, so we're done eating. We're about to leave. Jabari is like so ready.
So ready.
So ready.
No, I'm not ready.
So we're going to the movies. Movie starts at 6:30. It's now
5:49.
10 minutes to 6. We still have time. We have to be in a rush.
I just wanted to go home, get a blanket, come back.
I want to go home and come back.
Huh?
I want to go home and come back.
I need a blanket. And the movie theaters are cold. Everybody knows that.
Not really. So you want us to go try get a ticket and then see what we can do?
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna try to get a ticket. If we're able to go home to get blankets, then we will. If not, it is what it is.
It is what it is. Well, I mean, we are because our house is like not that far away.
It's not that far away, but yeah.
Your jacket is going dirty.
I want to take this though, my fish. Do you want to ask them for a bag to go? Or a box to go? Ask them for a bag or a box to go. This is such a huge drink. Jabari got brownies. Like, he's just obsessed with chocolate. Anything chocolatey, he'll have it. But guys, I'm going to do a haul. And I'm going to show you guys this purse. I know you guys probably see it all over the Instagram, but this bag will be in my haul. So, look out for that. Jabari. You didn't get a bag. Am I gonna take this in my hand?
Yeah.
Get a bag.
Alright, I'm trying to fix my mouth.
Take up your brownie.
Don't give it to me.
Jabari, please to get a bag.
And I'm gonna eat it. No. That lady is like, you're going
Who?
So, Mom, where are we going now?
So guys, let me tell you. That restaurant, the customer service was pretty great because like the food was on the table before we were even seated.
Alright, stop. No,
It was
can you
really
say
good.
what you really want to say?
No, so we're going home because it's pretty cold, so we're going home to get our blankets. And then
oh my god. She's hilarious, guys. So, yeah. We're going home to get our blankets because we are going to the movies. Right, Mom?
yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
Hey guys, so a little bit of change of plans.
No, not a little bit. A big change of plan.
Well, we're supposed to go to the movies, and 2 of the movies are rated R.
No.
So I can't take Jabari. What?
One of them, they were showing Jumanji, but my mom didn't want to see that, so.
Okay, so you didn't want. I didn't want to see one, and the other one was rated R.
I could have went in rated R,
No.
because I have you and I'm 13.
No.
I could have done that, yeah.
No.
Yes, you
So
can do
anyways,
that.
guys, this is where we're going to end the vlog for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.